put it on your scalp, because these products are meant for your hair strands. They are not meant for your scalp. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Yes, I am back with another video because a lot of people have been asking me about this particular thing. People are confused about the difference between a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner or a conditioner. So I'm going to be explaining what a leave-in conditioner is, and also I'm going to be talking about a conditioner. I know the thumbnail says the difference between a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner, but since a conditioner and a deep conditioner falls under the same category or similar category, I'm going to be explaining about those two in this video as well. So if I watch my previous videos, I've spoken about what conditioner to use, and in that particular video I also explained some key things. So I think it's really important for you to also see that video, so I'm gonna link it up in the description for you. Now let's get into the business of the day. What is the difference between a leave-in conditioner and a conditioner or a deep conditioner? So the first thing I'm going to do, so that it will be easier for you to understand, is to explain the difference between a conditioner and a deep conditioner. When we talk about conditioners, we are referring to products that help to add moisture back into your hair. They are hydrating treatments that you do for your hair, and it's really important for you to do deep conditioning because it helps to add moisture into your hair, it strengthens your hair, it helps to repair your hair from damages like color damage and heat damage. If you want more details on this, like I earlier said, check the video that I linked up in the description. So the major difference between a conditioner and a deep conditioner is that when you use a conditioner like this one, you can see it's clearly written on it, hydrating conditioner. So this one is a conditioner. When you use products like this, the instruction is always to apply it all over your hair and rinse it out. You do not allow this one to stay on your hair for like 15 to 30 minutes, but there's no harm in doing so because I actually use conditioners to deep condition my hair. So there is no harm if you leave it on your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. Most people just allow it to stay on their hair for like 5 minutes and then they rinse it out. So like I said, there is no harm in leaving it on your hair for 15 to 30 minutes, but the major difference between this one and a deep conditioner is that this particular one stays on your hair for at most 5 minutes and a deep conditioner stays on your hair for like 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how long or the duration that you like to deep condition your hair. And then the major similarity between a conditioner and a deep conditioner is that these two are supposed to be rinsed out. They are rinsed out conditioners. Simply put it as a conditioner and a deep conditioner are rinsed out conditioners. You understand? That way you are able to easily know when you see any product written on it, a conditioner or a deep conditioner, you will know that, oh, this product is supposed to be rinsed out. So what some people do is that when they apply a conditioner and they rinse it out, they now go in with a deep conditioner. But people like me, I usually don't have energy for that. I like to, wash my hair with shampoo, rinse it out, apply a deep conditioner or a conditioner, and then be out of the shower. So doing that 3-step is not for people like me. I just don't do it, which is why sometimes I use a conditioner to deep condition my hair, or I use a deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. So you can do whatever you choose, but that is the major difference between these two. So a conditioner and a deep conditioner, they are both rinsed out conditioners, but the major difference between them is that a deep conditioner stays on the hair longer than a conditioner. Moving on to the next product is a leave-in conditioner. Remember, this video is to explain the difference between a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. I only explained about a conditioner because I know someone will still be confused, you understand? So with that being said, let's move on to this particular product. So when you see any product written on it, leave-in conditioner, what that tells you is that that product is supposed to be left on your hair. You are not supposed to rinse this particular one out. Do you understand? So when you apply a leave-in conditioner, you allow it to stay on your hair till your next wash day. In fact, you're supposed to moisturize your hair within a week, maybe 2 times with a leave-in conditioner. I also made a video on the basic products to get in your hair care routine, and in that video I spoke about deep conditioners and I also spoke about leave-in conditioners. I really think it's important for you to also see that video, so I'm going to link it up in the description. A leave-in conditioner is very, very important. It's one of the top 5 products that you must buy if you are someone who keeps natural hair. When you apply a leave-in conditioner, apply it all over your hair. Please do not put it on your scalp because these products are meant for your hair strands. They are not meant for your scalp. So applying this on your scalp is going to cause a lot of build-up. It's going to make your scalp itchy, and then it's going to clog your pores, thereby slowing down the rate at which your hair grows. So do not apply a leave-in conditioner on your scalp. Apply it on your hair strands. That is where this product is meant to be used. When you apply a leave-in conditioner, you comb through your hair using a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. I also made a video on the basic tools that you need when you are going natural, so please do check out the description box for the link. So you go ahead and detangle it using a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush, and the reason for this is to ensure that that product is evenly distributed on your hair. So it's really important that you detangle your hair after applying a leave-in conditioner. If you don't want to use a comb or a brush, you can go ahead and finger detangle. Use your hands and just walk your hands through your hair. That way the product is distributed evenly. And when you are applying a leave-in conditioner on your hair, it is imperative that you focus on your ends. And the reason for that is that your ends is the most fragile part of your hair. They are the oldest and the most fragile part of your hair. So it's important to focus on that part. That way you're able to care for it and prevent it from breaking off. So what comes after a leave-in conditioner is oil. And the reason why you're advised to use oils after using a leave-in conditioner is to be able to seal in the moisture. So that is it for this video. I hope after watching this video you'll be able to tell the difference between a conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. On this channel we do a lot of natural hair, be it hair care tips and natural hairstyling tutorials. We also do a lot of beauty content. We do lifestyle content as well. So if that sounds like what interests you, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video. With that being said, thank you all for staying to the end of my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.